Supremely elegant and technologically advanced, the 2021 Volvo XC90 is one of the most desirable midsize luxury crossovers. Volvo loves to promote its safety-conscious image and makes it real by packing its lone 3-row SUV with copious standard driver assists. Along with tech-savvy features such as a fully digital gauge cluster and a tablet-like infotainment touchscreen, the XC90 offers a semi-autonomous drive mode. Although the Volvo isn't very engaging from behind the wheel, especially compared with sportier rivals such as the Audi Q7 and Porsche Cayenne, it has one of the prettiest interiors in the game. A trio of 4-cylinder engines are highlighted by a quick and potent 400 HP plug-in hybrid. However, the hybrid has a short all-electric range. Still, the 2021 XC90 is a perfectly splendid luxury vehicle with seating for up to 7. Volvo makes a number of minor changes to the 2021 XC90 lineup. Every model now comes standard with front parking sensors, LED headlights that turn with the steering wheel, high-pressure headlight washers, wireless charging, 2 USB-C ports on the back of the center console, and the company's Care Key, which allows an owner to set limitations on the vehicle's top speed. The plug-in hybrid T8 is now branded with the Recharge moniker. Other updates include the addition of Savile Gray metallic paint, updated speaker cones for the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, and a new gloss black grille for the R design. The XC90 can be had in 3 versions, all of them riffs on the theme of Volvo's 2.0-liter Turbo 4. The base model, which we have yet to test, features the 250 HP turbocharged T5 engine paired with front-wheel drive. The more powerful T6 version adds supercharging to the turbocharging system to result in 316 horsepower. With the exception of its plug-in hybrid powertrain, the XC90 achieves similar EPA ratings to those of its V6 competitors. The turbo-only version is rated at up to 21 mpg city and 30 highway, but the turbo and supercharged version sees those figures drop to 19 mpg and 28 highway. The XC90's interior is a masterpiece of the medium. From the attractive design to the quality of the materials, we wish there were more vehicles like this. Adults won't be happy in the third row, despite the fact that it offers more legroom than similar rivals, but preteens can probably be persuaded, provided the journey is short. The 2021 XC90 earned a 5-star crash test rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and the last version that was evaluated by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety was named a top safety pick. Volvo's commitment to safety is legendary, and its 3-row crossover has a loaded roster of driver assistance technology.